Let me tell you why I traded my Canon 2870 2.0 for the Canon 24-105 2.8. Hi guys, I'm Clay Souza. I'm a wedding portrait photographer in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. And let me tell you one thing. So if you're a Canon shooter, you probably heard about the new Canon RF 2870 2.0. And I bought the lens, and I'll tell you, it's not a bad lens. It's not that it is a bad lens. It just didn't work for me. And why? Because at 2870, I was missing the extra 4mm that the 2470 was giving me. So when I shoot a lot of weddings, and sometimes we're shooting like big, large bridal party on a tight spot, and those 4mm made a difference. That's one of the reasons why I traded it. The second reason is that it's a quite heavy lens, so it takes a toll on you at the end of the day. But the weight wasn't it, pretty much, because I didn't think that having the 2870, I didn't think having the 2.0 aperture was like a good trade-off. So I was teaching a shutter fast this year again, and so that's when I saw the Canon 24-105 at 2.8. So I made the trade because I had never really shot with a 24-105, because up to now it used to be f4, but now they have the 2.8. And to be honest, I haven't had a wedding that I had to take this lens for, but during Shutter Fest, I tried this lens and I love what I see. It is kind of big, but it's much, much, much lighter than the 2870. And again, I'm not saying that the 2870 is a bad lens. No, it's not. It's just I couldn't get used to it. I don't know. It was kind of strange to me to be on that 28 range. Danny, my wife, edits our images, and so she was always complaining that she had to crop. She ended up losing a lot of the pictures, and yeah, so I made the trade, and so far I love it. It's a really cool lens. If you do video, this lens has a lot of new features for videographers. You should at least try it. Rent one and try it. All right. Okay guys, this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button here, right? So we're gonna be here next week with another video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.